Okay, this is the summary of the whole grammar. If you are a new student, this is what you're supposed to do. This is a postgraduate student, 2023. The person just got admission this semester. You write your matric number in small letter where they say username. You write your matric number in small letter. Where they say password, you write the same matric number in small letter. That's all. You log in. It will now show you a page to change your password. Here, to show you a page like this to change your password. What you have to do is where they say current password, that is your matric number in small letter. Then the new password is whatever you want to be using. You can use your bank account number, your favorite bank account number. You can use your surname or in capital letter or the last alphabet in your name in capital letter. You know how to mix a password. You can even use your phone number, maybe end it with an alphabet, something you can easily remember. Okay, so I have activated this person's portal. So there it is, added the password, what I want to be this person's password. He's a new student, so he doesn't know anything about it. So I'll just save, and that's all. That's all. Your portal has been activated. You continue. Once you change it like this, you use this password throughout your studies. You no longer have to change it every semester. That's the current situation. Initially, every semester, this is what you come and do. But this time around, they have made it possible that whatever password you use now, you will continue to use it until you graduate, as long as you register every semester. This semester you register, your details will already be there. So that's it. You need to know your courses, whether your courses has been uploaded here. You check, go to my courses. Here are this person's courses. You open anyone, assuming you want to attend a lecture or facilitation from this one, for this GST 707. You open it. This is the course page. You will find the name details are of your facilitator, the lecturer for this course are there. And then resources. You find the videos. They're all here. The assignments. These are the assignments. 3 assignments. Each one contains has 10 marks attached to it, or 10% of the whole thing. So you have to submit this one before this one and then before this one. You cannot submit 2 before 3 according to the current, unless there's some kind of error or reactivation, that enabled it. But ordinarily, you have to submit 1 before 2 and then 3 in that order. That's it. Then if you want to check your score, like someone have submitted TMA for you, are busy with some other things, you paid someone to submit your assignment, you go to grades. You come here, go to grades. Under grades, you should see, or you open each one and you see it. For now, there's no TMA has not been submitted and there's nothing here. Or you can still go in here, open each of the link for each of the TMA. That's another way to do it. If you open this one, click on it or touch it, you can see no questions yet. It begins this night. It says 4th, 12 a.m., 4th March. Today is 3rd, so by 12 a.m. it should open. You will see questions for this course. That's how it works. So that's it.